Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best budget microphones you can buy Amazon. A good microphone is a must for any podcast. The quality of your recordings will depend on the quality of your microphone. The most important thing to know when it comes to choosing a microphone is that there are 2 types: condenser and dynamic. Condenser microphones are more sensitive, so they capture sound better, but they also need an external power supply to work. Dynamic microphones do not need an external power supply, and they are less sensitive, but they are cheaper than condenser microphones and more robust. A microphone is a device that converts sound into an electronic signal. It can be used to pick up sound from a speaker, record it, or transmit it to another location. Microphones are also used in many other applications such as telephones, walkie-talkies, and hearing aids. Good microphones also have a long lifespan, with some models lasting for decades without breaking down or losing their quality. This means that when you invest in a good microphone, you won't need to worry about replacing it anytime soon. A good microphone will be able to capture every detail of your voice and deliver it back to you with clarity. It will also pick up the subtlest sounds around you so that you can hear everything that is going on in the room and not just what's happening in front of the mic. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Amazon Basics Dynamic. Ever thought you could be a singer? Amazon's proprietary dynamic vocal microphones will make the dream a reality. Get your singing dreams out of your head and onto the stage with our top-rated dynamic vocal microphone. The Amazon Basics mic has been tested by professionals and is equipped with a high input volume with a cardioid pickup pattern to help you get noticed. With its sleek design, you'll never want to go back to using your old microphone again. Easy to use and packed with features, this microphone is perfect for beginners and pros alike. If you are tired of hearing feedback like "I can barely hear you" or "you sound like you're in the next room," this microphone is for you. Amazon Basics dynamic vocal microphone has a dynamic element which reduces handling noise as well as feedback. It features a wide frequency range and incredibly low harmonic distortion. It also includes a lightweight, compact stand and high-quality audio cable. Designed with a 2-year warranty, this quality microphone has a crisp sound due to its exceptional cardioid pickup pattern. It has a 3.5mm jack for compatibility with phones, recording devices, mixers, and more. The Amazon Basics dynamic microphone is perfect for public speaking, conference calls, podcasts, interviews, and more. Number 4. Pyle. If you're looking for a quality handheld microphone in a professional package, then look no further. For the on-the-go, professional musician, Pyle's 3-piece handheld dynamic microphone kit is perfect for any gig. The 3 components of this kit are a cardioid unidirectional vocal mic with hard carry case, holder clip and an XLR to 1/4 audio connection cable. You can also use this mic to record interviews or rehearsals. Pyle Professional dynamic microphone kit lets you capture the highest quality sound in any environment. With a built-in cardioid unidirectional vocal handheld microphone and a carry case, you'll have everything you need to make a successful recording. These rugged microphones are built to withstand the rigors of live performance or speech tasks and are perfect for singers, dancers and speakers. Whether you're starting your own podcast, recording vocals for your latest tune, or just want to improve the quality of your voice memos, this microphone is a great tool to have around. With its cardioid unidirectional design, it will pick up only the sounds that come from directly in front of it. And with our 2-year warranty and lifetime support, you know it was made to last. For brilliant and transparent sound with integrated pop filter and windscreen to minimize breath and pop noises, you can count on it to come through after countless gigs in studio applications. Number 3. Razer. From the most powerful gaming hardware to the sleekest, most advanced computing devices, Razer is known for setting new standards in high performance and cutting-edge design. Introducing the Saren Mini Streamlined USB microphone, which is a professional mic for gamers and people who want a clear audio focus. The Razer Saren Mini USB streaming microphone is the perfect microphone for your laptop, desktop, or home studio. It takes up minimal space and delivers high-quality sound that's perfect for gaming, podcasts, voiceovers, and more. The short and lightweight body is easy to transport and take with you anywhere. We're taking sound seriously. From our award-winning noise-canceling headphones to our best-selling Saren USB microphone, Razer audio gear is the standard for professional gamers and audiophiles alike. The Razer Saren Mini USB streaming microphone is the perfect balance of pro features and a crazy price, giving you professional results without breaking the bank. Prepare for your next Pop-Tart performance, or even use it as a reliable backup or second mic when traveling. Sitting on a sturdy support, the mic can be angled to find the perfect sweet spot for your voice. It can also be detached and mounted on a boom armor mic stand that uses a standard 5/8-inch thread. Number 2. HyperX. Need to record yourself or your friends on Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, Discord? Let the HyperX Quadcast USB condenser gaming microphone do the heavy lifting for you. This high-quality microphone has a lot to offer, including 4 polar patterns for recording anything from vocals to battle cries to in-game footsteps. With gain control and noise cancellation features, you'll be able to create professional quality recordings with ease. The HyperX USB condenser gaming microphone features a rich, natural sound in a compact and lightweight design. The anti-vibration shock mount is included to help reduce unwanted vibrations from the desk. It has 4 polar patterns, a built-in pop filter, gain control and a red LED to help you record in low light or screencast without a camera. Imagine if you could record your voice with the same fidelity as your favorite pros. With its adjustable anti-vibration shock mount and 4 polar patterns, the HyperX USB condenser gaming microphone is a great option for gamers of all levels. It's a heavy-duty microphone that's capable of picking up strong audio in any environment, making it perfect for streaming. Whether you're plugging into a PC, PS4, or Mac, you'll be able to deliver quality sound to anyone tuning in. Number 1. HyperX Quadcast. This is an amazing microphone that is suitable for gaming, streaming, podcasting, and YouTube. It has 4 polar patterns and a separate noise-isolating pop filter. The condenser mic has a gain control with a built-in limiter, so you don't blow the game out of the speakers. Connect your voice to the game. Designed for PC, PS4, PS5 and Mac, this USB condenser microphone offers 4 polar patterns and a low-profile design for a comfortable fit in hand. The anti-vibration shock mount is designed to minimize noise and vibration on your desk or armrest, so you can enjoy smooth audio streams and clear voice chat. It features a pop filter and an adjustable gain control to provide you with consistent audio. Its anti-vibration shock mount keeps your microphone securely in place as you play. This allows for accurate position tracking and audio capture. If you're looking for a microphone that gives out crystal clear sound without any distortion, use the convenient tap-to-mute functionality to prevent an audio accident along with the help of the LED mic status indicator. If the light is on, the mic is active. If the light is off, the mic is muted. Get great sound whether you're connecting to a PC, PS4, or Mac. Quadcast S is certified by Discord and TeamSpeak and works on major streaming platforms like Streamlabs OBS Studio, and Split.